Hi friends, it's Mia from Interact. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can use branching logic for your quiz for one specific answer choice. With our branching logic tool, the quiz taker always starts off with the same first quiz question, then based on how they answer, they are going to go down different paths of questions and results. However, for this example, I'm going to show you how you can use branching logic for just one specific answer choice. So, let's get into it. For today's video, I created a personality style quiz entitled Which Summer Sip Matches Your Vibe? In my quiz dashboard, I'm going to hit Edit. In the quiz builder, I'm going to navigate to questions. My first question asks, are you 21 or older? Since my results will differ based on the quiz taker's age, I want to create a specific branching logic path for the specific answer choice of no, I am under the age of 21. So we will use branching logic to create a different path for quiz takers who are under the age of 21. To set this up, I'm going to select branching logic. Click Enable Logic. Here is where I'm going to map my quiz path. I'm going to drag and drop my first quiz question onto the map. Next, I'll link and connect my start block to the first quiz question. For the answer choice of yes, I'm 21 or older, I want the quiz taker who selects that answer choice to continue down the standard path of quiz questions. This will ultimately lead the quiz taker to the quiz results of drink recommendations. So I will drag and drop the next quiz question and connect it to this answer choice. For the answer choice of no, I am under the age of 21, I can send this quiz taker down a completely different path. One option is to end the quiz for this quiz taker. I can do this by dragging and dropping a quiz result. I can then link this answer choice to that quiz result. This means that any quiz taker who selects the answer choice of no, I'm under the age of 21, that the quiz will immediately end for them and they will get this quiz result of a mocktail. While any quiz taker who selected the answer choice of yes, I'm 21 or older, the quiz will continue on and they will receive this next quiz question. I will then continue to map the rest of the quiz questions for this specific path. After mapping all my quiz questions for this specific one path, I have the option to either decide one answer choice maps to one specific result, or I can have them map to based on correlations. So what this means, since this is a personality style quiz, is that on each quiz question, the answer choices are mapped to a specific result. On the back end of this specific quiz question, I have each answer choice mapping to a specific quiz result. Even though this quiz has branching logic enabled, it will still function like a standard personality style quiz. When you have the final quiz question and answer choices mapping to the result of based on correlations. Basically, the answer choice the quiz taker chose most is the final quiz result they will receive. This will use the traditional logic of a personality style quiz when you have it mapping to based on correlations. So for this answer choice of no, I am under the age of 21, since you mapped it to this specific quiz result, regardless, anyone who selects that answer choice is going to get this specific result. Now, another option is that you can absolutely create a unique set of questions and results for quiz takers under the age of 21, as seen here. However, for this example, I wanted to demonstrate how to end the quiz immediately for a specific group of quiz takers by immediately ending the quiz and taking them to the result page. This prevents them from continuing down the standard path of questions, and that allows you to create a separate experience for that audience. When you are done mapping, hit Save Map and go back. Then hit Publish. Click Publish Changes. To show you how this will work on the live quiz, I'm going to select Copy Link. Here is the live version of the quiz. I'm going to answer, no, I am under 21, and the quiz will immediately end and I will receive this quiz result. And that's it for me. Thanks so much for watching and happy quizzing.